Hello friends, today we see the text of column option in Power BI. So let's start. I have created some data for this exercise. So first we check this data first. I have kept that data in a folder BI, and this is the data for various tabs available in Power BI. So first we check format option in Power BI. So this is the data we are going to upload in Power BI. So for to upload the Excel sheet in Power BI, we have to just click on Get Data, Excel Workbook. We have to select that file. Select the sheet, and this is not a clean data. That is why we are going to click on Transport Data tab. If our data is clean, then we directly load this data into the Power BI. First we click on the Transport tab and use this option, use first row as headers, to convert our first row into our column heading header. So first row converted into the heading option. So we have few options have to check in under format tab. Lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, trim, add suffix and add prefix. So first we check the lowercase option for all the columns. We have to just select the column and then click on the lowercase. So it automatically convert our data into the lowercase. So before that we are हमें यहाँ पे देख रहा है कि यहाँ पे कुछ स्पेसेस हैं वर्ड से पहले और वर्ड के बाद. सो पहले हम ये डेटा ट्रिम कर लेते हैं. तो वी कैन select one by one column, or we can select all the columns at a time and just click on trim option. So it automatically get trim. Then we check next option, uppercase. So in this, all letters are converted into the uppercase. Next option is capitalize this word. It converted every first word of the word in capital letter. Clean option. This option used when any non-printable data present in our column. So we use clean option. Next options are add prefix and add suffix. Suppose I want to add prefix in first name column. So just we have to add Mr. as a prefix in first name column. So it automatically add Mr. word in first name column. मैं ये स्टेप डिलीट कर रहा हूँ. If we want to delete any step, we have to just click on this cross icon in applied step section. Next option is format tab, add suffix. First I give the space and then I write sir. So suffix is added in last name column. If I want to merge these three columns, this is also possible. For this we have to click on first column, second column and third column and click on merge columns. And here Power BI asks for the separator. These separator options are available, and we are going to select space option here and click on OK. So we got full name in one column. Actually I am going to delete this step because this format option and format tab is also available in add column section. So if we use this extra format option, so you can see the difference between these both options. I have selected all three columns, merge columns, again space and OK. Now we get a new column as a full name. So here we check for lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, trim, add suffix, add prefix and merge column option. Thank you for watching. We will cover next topics in next video. Thank you.